What dirt? Is it gone? And now? Help me then. I can't see where the dirt is. Yeah, I feel a little better now. Will this do? Why do I feel like there isn't any dirt? Someone's making things up. It tickles. I'm not used to wearing this. Maybe there's a secret switch. I'll tell you once I find it. You. No thanks. You're pretty easy to amuse, huh? Satisfied now? You've got a bit of dirt. Done. Now both these two kittens are clean.